Cloud Brothers, excellent party time. Diddly, 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 diddly. Welcome to the Cloud Brothers.
I
We
had a better
are.
one.
What? Go ahead.
I had a better one, but I forgot it already. So we have to go with
Uh,
the Bill and Ted for now.
Bill and Ted. Okay.
Yes, I don't know what you're talking about.
Wayne and Garth. You're too young to get that reference, I guess. Um.
Yeah,
Uh.
that's it. What are we doing today, Brain?
Well, we're going to try to take over the world with metaverse-like gaming. So, this is just an article here above our egg heads.
This article is this article is above my head. Nothing goes above my head.
Yeah, yeah, for more
I will
quality
catch it.
content like this. Uh Boy, like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Anyway, AWS is using a 3D metaverse-like role-playing game to train users on how to use its cloud computing platform. So we're going to try it today. We're going to stream a fun video game that you can actually play because you won't get video game sickness from it, hopefully.
What do you mean? It's fun and I can learn that those things don't
Right?
sound like they go together.
Yeah. It's called the AWS Cloud Quest. Cloud Practitioner
Quick,
is described as a role-playing learning game that helps you develop practical cloud skills through interactive learning and hands-on activities using AWS services. AWS said the free training is ideal for early career or new to cloud adult learners who want to learn foundational cloud computing while zapping drones, collecting gems in a quest to solve challenges in a virtual city, drawing comparisons to the metaverse, which Wikipedia describes as a network of 3D virtual worlds focused on social connection. A more practical take on the concept is provided by research firm Gartner, blah, 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 blah. But anyway, that's just a little
if
article. I suppose I could put that link in the description, which I probably will do, just so you could go look at the article because
if
it will link. What?
I have one comment before we start.
Yeah, go on.
If there isn't an angry customer yelling at you, it's not realistic.
Well, yeah, that's
Um,
fair.
yeah, we'll see.
I
We'll see.
deal with my
We'll see.
fair share of that, but
Yeah,
very good at de-escalating. Uh,
but I digress.
but I digress. But anyway, it's a longer article. We don't need to read the whole thing. It just things to videos,
Oh,
new training. So anyway, how you get into this is you go into your AWS skill builder. Um, I'll put this link down there too. Uh, I already signed in. You can
oh,
just you can
this is part of the training thing, the certification
it's part of the skill
login.
builder. So if you look AWS training and certification up here, where
Yeah,
I have the cursor, uh, learner dashboard, course catalog, and then you will find the AWS Cloud Quest Cloud Practitioner, which I already signed into. You just sign into your
yeah.
learner account. You
They
can
used
make one. It doesn't cost any money.
they
Uh,
used to say that. They used to do that with a sign to me. They see me at school and go, "Learner, learner."
yeah, yeah. All the kids used to do that to me too when I was by the deaf school. They had a yeah, it's weird. They had a.
Ah,
I'm not going to say it actually. It's too
yeah, no, don't,
self-deprecating.
don't.
You learning platform uses cookies, blah blah blah. So got it. Whatever. Sign
Yeah,
girls,
that's
sign cookies.
everywhere now.
So that's what we want. So free to enroll, as it says. Free is the best price ever. So I'm just going to
No,
enroll, and we haven't done this before. This is live real time reaction. So let's start learning now. And you should be getting Scott. You should be getting this if there's sound on this. You should be getting it streamed to you through Discord.
oh,
Uh,
okay.
okay. There is a Play Cloud Quest Practitioner. There's a trailer for the YouTube video. And your system requirements. So I guess I'll just start learning now.
Yeah, start.
See what happens. Okay, cloud practitioners will complete 12 hands-on assignments Using AWS services, each assignment consists of a business problem, a solution walkthrough, learning videos, a practice lab, and a do it yourself activity. You will learn, and we're probably not going to get through this in an hour, but this will
No.
give us plenty of content to fill it up, to fill up 1 hour. Learning videos, a practice lab, and a do-it-yourself activity. You will learn about AWS concepts, common uses, billing and pricing models, security concepts, and business impacts. And then it shows the assignments here. Essentials, cloud first steps, computing solutions, cloud economics, networking concepts, connecting VPCs, database and practice, file systems in the cloud, core security concept, your first NoSQL database, auto healing and scaling applications, and highly available web applications. So that's what
All
the
right.
kids are calling holistic. It
Is
covers
this is,
everything.
is this going to be like Jumanji? You click the button and then we go in there?
Well, I hope so. Okay,
Yeah.
AWS Cloud Quest Cloud Practitioner is a role-playing learning game that helps you develop, like that show Reboot, um, from the
Yeah.
90s. You develop practical cloud skills through interactive learning, hands-on activities. I guess we could play it. It's right here.
Oh,
Oh, there's a
Welcome to AWS Cloud Quest Cloud Practitioner,
thank you.
the newest way to build your AWS skills. Cloud Quest is an open world role playing game that teaches you how to build real AWS solutions using cloud concepts and exercises. As a cloud
that's kind of it.
practitioner, you'll venture on a journey to help the citizens in town transform their city by using cloud solutions. You can take your technical training to the next level by turning business problems into technical solutions through puzzles, simulations, and hands-on labs. As a foundational building block for skill building and career development, CloudQuest gives you control of your learning journey at your own pace. With tons of customizations, unique assignments, and game modes, CloudQuest is a continuous learning experience. You can earn rewards to unlock various character styles, pet companions,
yeah.
city themes, and vehicles. Dive into the world of AWS and embark on the quest.
Wow. That
All right.
is
All right. All right.
all right. All right. Shake it, shake it, shake it,
Uh,
shake it, shake it.
I
Sorry, go
think
on.
there was a play now. I think there was a play now button at the top. I think your play button's
Oh,
up
I'm
at the
just
top.
looking. I'm just looking through this. Hands-on live. You will learn and apply the concepts. Your journey, your way. So
Monkey, monkey. Oh, that's
play
a gorilla.
now. Yeah, you're right. And then there's next. Oh, I guess this is just to
I'd click.
go.
I'd click
Oh,
play
it's
now.
to
I
play
think.
the
Go back.
just to
Go
play the
previous.
videos, and it's to play the videos.
Oh,
It's and then
oh, I see. He's just doing the same thing
it
anyway.
just it's just going through it instead of scrolling down. So
Yeah, yeah,
I
yeah,
jumped
yeah,
the
yeah.
shark. System requirements. You need a 64-bit operating. I'm going through this kind of thoroughly because Windows,
Yeah.
Mac OS, and Linux. You need 1 gig of available space. Broadband internet, VPN connection is not recommended. Integrated or
Good.
dedicated 3D graphics card, which I have, 1600 by 900 or lower recommended. I'm not sure. Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and Google Chrome browser. Yeah, got it, got it, got it. Input keyboard and mouse are required to play. Got those closed. All 3D graphics are CPU intensive applications. And you cannot do this on mobile browsers, or it's not supported anyway. And there's a fake FAQ page. You can go to that yourself if you want to. I've never been there because I've never done this. Checking authentication, signing in, loading game. Let's see what happens.
Loading, loading, loading.
Loading, 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 loading. Initializing game systems, 75%, 5.86 megabytes. CloudQuest saves your progress automatically.
Look at that stuff.
Get Certified Challenge. Complete all 12 quest assignments to receive a free access code. That's the funny thing about this, too. And what's really good about this, if you read what that says, complete all 12 quest assignments to receive a free access code for the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner Practice Exam, which
That's the.
is good until June 15th. I already have it, so it doesn't do anything for me, but if someone's new,
That's kind of cool.
and to it and they need to get certified, this is the way to do it. Actually, my a colleague at work, one of his relatives is getting cloud certified, and I'm not sure if they know about this. So I'm going to
Yeah.
I'm gonna mention that because you get some.
Welcome to the city.
Thank you. Welcome to the city. Okay,
We
I
are
guess I
happy
click.
you decided to join our team.
Oh yeah, me too.
No problem.
Me too. Okay, I thought I clicked next. I
As a
did.
new member of our IT staff, you will solve city problems by building solutions using AWS.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
The cloud practitioner
but
job role has been selected for you.
Okay.
Report to the city to begin.
Yes, ma'am.
Does it just keep going or?
A day will help you
So
get
if you-
started.
Oh, hello, Ed. 80? 80?
80. They said 80, but
80.
all right.
The cutscenes are awesome.
Yeah. You could say they worked hard
like,
on the graphics.
I like the cheesy music too.
Yeah, it's funny. I hope that
I
doesn't last
wonder what's.
forever.
Huh?
It just okay, then it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's good. It's cool. It's cool. I says.
You
Welcome.
might be able to turn it off. Actually, probably tell you that.
Oh, probably. Well, but can
Yeah, you won't be able to hear. You can't hear nothing. Can't hear nothing.
Next, you'll be introduced to AWS services and you will build basic AWS solutions. Each solution you build will solve a business problem in the city. Click the map points to explore, then click start. Oh, I see.
Map.
Okay, I want to look around. Explore all 12 Cloud Practitioner solution building assignments. So you just kind of have to go around and do the assignments. You have been assigned.
No,
so
I
you can search
think
for
it says.
I just got
I
to
think
pick a
you-
point on the map and start.
Yeah,
Or I have to
I
pick
think
this
you
one?
click-
Is that why it's yellow?
probably. Or does it say start? Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah, there you go.
Cities, although I might have to press the start button here. That might be all I have to do.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. See, all the rest ones are locked, so you can only see that one first.
Oh, those are locks. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so you can go in and create your own unique style. All right. I don't get it. I don't see how. Choose options to randomize for your body, head, and clothing, or randomize your look. All right.
Yeah. Remember, don't get called into HR for this.
Nope. Just trying to see my shape.
Yeah, maximize the head size because we are Mugfords.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I was thinking. Oh, oh dear. Jeez.
Yeah, there you go. It's pretty good. If it was, can you do bald?
I don't know.
I don't think so.
I think you can. Yeah, here's the hair.
Oh yeah. Do the mohawk.
There you go. There
Yeah.
you go. We're doing
And,
mohawk.
keep the
We're gonna go
mohawk.
with the mohawk.
Yeah.
All right.
What do you got for
facial hair.
shirts? You got for shirts too. Oh yeah, no, do the yeah, there you go.
That's what I look. That's me.
Yeah, there you go.
All right.
Oh
and
no,
then
clothes. I don't have any clothes.
eye color. Jeez. That's creepy. All right, I'm gonna do that. That's creepy too. Matches the pants, so you gotta do the clothes. Gotta look cool. Professional.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, do the suit because it doesn't fit at all.
Yeah. Check the bottoms.
Yeah, shorts.
That makes
Yeah,
no
there you
sense. That seems
Yeah.
like a very technician thing to do. All right. and
Yeah,
the
because you
shoes.
Zoom, right? Or WebEx or whatever. Clown shoes. Oh, sandals. Yeah, short sandals. Yeah. Unless those are clogs.
Let's check out the looks. Yeah, I'm gonna do sandals. Hats? Why would I hide my perfect mohawk with a hat? No hats.
Yeah, no hat.
So,
Oh, yeah. Let's walk around with a VR helmet on.
yeah, probably this. All right, I think it's pretty good. What's this? Create, do not enter. Let's get some details. What should we call you? Please do not enter any confidential or personal information as your avatar name. I'm going to call them Third
Oh,
Cloud.
yeah, nice. Cabral.
That's
Nice.
awesome. Whoa.
Yeah, so these were the areas that you're exploring in the other map.
This smartphone icon is your new XR device. Oh, that's lucky me. It contains assignments for
Again-
citizens that need your help. What? What'd you say?
I don't know.
I thought you said, did you? Ooh, my first assignment has arrived. Wait, watch out. Oh my god. Strange,
The
this
hell's going
gorilla usually wears a hat. Anyway, click to open your XR device, then click root and go. Okay. Oh, I have a skateboard. Nice.
Well,
I guess I have
Right
to talk
over
to
to
this.
that guy.
Can I talk to this dude?
yeah. Click
All
on
right. Hello, and welcome to the city. It is a pleasure to meet you. Okay.
What do you get here?
You
100
get rewards. This is Cloud Computing
100
Essentials.
gems.
If reward in Amazon Web Services, 100 gems, 3 customization items, plus 10 Amazon S3. Services, Amazon S3. Okay. Hi, it's nice to meet you too. I am happy to join the team. How may I help you? Our data center powers most of the technical infrastructure here, but the drawback is that it takes months to procure and configure servers. Oh no. That is a pretty common problem when provisioning your own infrastructure. Have you considered AWS cloud infrastructure? It will definitely increase your agility. Interesting. I have heard a lot about the cloud, but I am not sure I understand the entire concept. Cloud computing on AWS provides access to technology services like compute, power storage, and databases. Resources are available on demand, and you only pay for what you use. The cloud seems promising, but how can it improve my agility? How many days does it take to bring a server
Days.
online? Oh, well, with AWS, you can deploy a server in minutes at a fraction of the cost of traditional servers. With this type of flexibility, you can completely transform your operations. This is all true.
Yeah. These are the lessons.
Yep. Well,
This is the lesson.
if it is that fast, I have a request. We have a webpage that predicts the wave sizes at the beach each day. Wow. Surfers check for big waves, and families want to know when the waves are lower for safety reasons. Unfortunately, we are facing some challenges keeping those servers up and running. Is this a static webpage? I don't know. Let me check my notes from IT. It says here that it is a static website. Does that help? Okay, got it. Since you're running a static web page, we can migrate it to an Amazon S3 bucket and enable static website hosting. Nice. I will ask the IT department to share the technical details with you. Can you start now? Residents are avoiding the beach because the forecast web page is down. Accept. Great. I can't wait to see the new solution. So then it says the annotations, create an S3 bucket and configure it for static website hosting.
Oh, righty.
So the cool thing about this, if somebody was just learning, is that they don't even need to sign up for like a AWS
Account.
a real account, and
Yeah.
risk messing up and losing money. Solution center steps: 1, learn; 2, plan; 3, practice; 4, DIY. So yeah, blah, 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 blah. The solution center is split into 4 sections that contain descriptions, details, and guidance for each solution you will build. Step 1, learn. Step 2, plan. Step 3, practice. Step 4, DIY. I heard that somewhere before.
Yeah.
This is the learn section. Here you can interact with the diagram of the solution you build. These navigation buttons cycle through the solution diagram to explain how it works. This is step 1. Click the arrow on the right to move to the next step. All right, the static web page hosted on Amazon S3 is configured to show the prediction of beach wave sizes. Files that support the web page functionality, such as client-side scripts and style sheets, are stored inside an S3 bucket together with an HTML file. Each day, a file that contains the hourly wave size predictions is sent by the Island IT department to an S3 bucket. Whoop.
I think those little videos are videos.
Over here.
Video concepts. Yeah, I think that's an actual video link. No.
I can't
Maybe
do
not.
anything with it. I think the video comes after.
Okay.
As far as I know.
Yeah, it's probably part of the next step.
Yeah, I presume. So, well, I can't go back. So,
Yeah, it's next.
visiting the Island web portal triggers a GET request from the portal to the waves.html page hosted on S3, which displays the forecast data. And now it's the video. Click the video concepts button to view the video list. Choose a video from the left menu to learn about AWS concepts.
Amazon S3 Overview.
Ah.
Amazon Simple Storage Service. Amazon S3 is an object storage service. An object consists of data and metadata. The metadata is a set of name-value pairs that describe the object.
It's hilarious.
Buckets are containers for objects stored in S3. An object is uniquely identified within a bucket by a key. The object named photo/puppy.jpg is stored in the John Smith bucket, and it is addressable using this URL: http://johnsmith.s3.region.amazonaws.com/photos/puppy.jpg. Amazon S3 offers industry-leading scalability, data availability, security, and performance. Customers of all sizes and industries can use it to store and protect any amount of data for a range of use cases, such as websites, mobile applications, backup and restore, archive, enterprise applications, IoT devices, and big data analytics.
Yeah.
It's exactly what
Amazon S3
it's exactly what I do.
Scalability,
I go to
availability,
1.5 is
durability.
about right.
It can easily
for
meet
me.
fluctuating demands by automatically scaling your storage resources up and down without upfront investments or resource procurement cycles.
Sounds more realistic,
Amazon S3
faster.
is designed for 11
some
nines of
reason.
data durability, because it
11
automatically
nines.
stores copies of all S3 objects across multiple systems. This means your data is available when needed and protected against failures, errors, and threats. Amazon S3 also offers unmatched security, compliance, and audit capabilities. It secures your data from unauthorized access with encryption features and access management tools. S3 is the only object storage service that allows you to block public access to all of your objects at the bucket or the account level with S3 Block Public Access. You should enable block public access for all accounts and buckets that you do not want publicly accessible. S3 maintains compliance programs such as PCI DSS, HIPAA High-Tech, FedRAMP, EU Data Protection Directive, and FISMA to help you meet regulatory requirements. AWS also supports numerous auditing capabilities to monitor access requests to your S3 resources. Amazon S3 is the most supported cloud storage service. You can choose to work with a partner from the AWS Partner Network (APN), which is the largest community of technology and consulting cloud services providers. The migration partners can help you to transfer data to Amazon S3. The storage partners offer S3 integrated solutions for primary storage, backup and restore, archive, and disaster recovery. You can also purchase an AWS integrated solution directly from the AWS Marketplace, which lists over 250 storage-specific offerings.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Very nice.
let me.
I don't think you.
I'm not going to
do
go through
cloud-
the 4 videos, but
Yeah.
I might look at the models here just to see what they look like.
Yeah.
Just because they're
Right.
sort of
Welcome to an
doing a
overview
review.
of the types of cloud computing models.
But I'm just going to slow this down a bit.
There are 3 main cloud computing models.
Oh, can't.
First,
take
let's
it.
look at
She's so
infrastructure
slow.
as a service. Infrastructure
Oh,
as a service
okay,
contains
so-
the basic building blocks for
So this,
file
this,
or program.
Yeah,
To
it's
I
all
was
enter
going
the,
to say
control
you know, all
platform
the
as a
stuff for
service and
convenience behind the
software as a
scenes.
service,
yeah.
right?
Infrastructure as a
Infrastructure as a
service.
service. Yeah.
Welcome to types of cloud computing deployment model.
Deployment models.
The same as the legacy IT
Oh,
infrastructure.
on-premises cloud hybrid.
Physical
Gotcha.
servers.
So
Yeah.
if we're not going through this because it's boring to watch it videos, and
For you.
Scott and I know all this information already. So if you're going to go through it, it'd be worth looking at the overview and more features and access management. It seems like pretty comprehensive videos. So
Yeah, they're good. This would be good for like this is all the stuff that I've been teaching you for the
Yeah.
last little bit.
yeah, exactly.
I think S3 Object Store was the first thing we ever went over
Yeah.
after CI/CD.
Absolutely. So we're in the plan section now. It details building the activities that are required for the solution. Here you will review the tasks you must complete in the practice and DIY section. All right.
All right.
Next. This eye-shaped icon is a toggle that details the practice goals and highlights the portion of the solution that is built using guided steps. Click it. Okay. Great.
Click it.
Did you notice that only part of the diagram is highlighted? Yeah, I did. That's because this is only a portion of the solution that is built using practice lab steps. Okay. This eye-shaped icon details the DIY goals and highlights the portion of the diagram that you build independently without guided steps. Click it! Clicked. Build on what you've learned. Rename index.html to waves.html. Nice! This solution only requires renaming a file hosted on Amazon S3, but expect more challenging assignments as you progress. Now that your plan is set, let's go to the practice session. Click practice. Yes, ma'am. Step 1, review the lab objectives. Step 2, click Start Lab to provision your environment. Then click Open AWS Console to begin. Please follow the lab instructions carefully and use the arrow below to navigate between the steps. In this lab, you'll create an S3 bucket, enable static website hosting, and secure an Amazon S3 bucket using a bucket policy. Okay, so... Oh, no. That's not...
I think you click. Oh, yeah.
In the concepts field. What? I did that.
Concept step. Down at the bottom there. You got to click there, I think. No?
It says I have to start. Oh, yeah, there we go. Excellent. Preparing your AWS environment can take several minutes, so let's continue to explore the practice and DIY section of the Solution Center. I guess it's taking a while to open.
Yeah, it's building. It's running a cloud formation probably in the background to build your thing that you need to do what you need to do.
Likely.
Because it's
Likely. The practice section contains lab steps and micro concepts on the left panel and corresponding images that display on the right panel. Okay. In the practice section, you will build a portion of the solution using guided steps. Once done, go to the DIY section to complete the solution using the same AWS environment. Okay, I clicked next, I think. Oh. Let's move on to the DIY section. What? I'm so confused.
it says 1 of 20. You're still in the practice part now, right? Can you click on the 1 of 27, that arrow there? Can you click on that now?
Nope.
Or can you scroll up and down there? No.
I can't do anything.
What about the
dot?
dot? I think you must have it in the DIY thing or something.
Oh, okay. All right, so no, that's where we are. That's weird. Can I go back?
Yeah, I could miss something.
I'm so confused.
This is a DIY. So you want a bucket name, I think.
Oh, okay. So the practice action, I think this is like at the beginning of a video game, like this is the your tutorial. at the beginning
Yeah.
before you play everything.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
because this is our task right here.
Yeah,
Rename
correct.
index to HTML to waves. So this will let you create an Amazon S3 static website. In the DIY, you must rename index HTML to waves.html. After completing the DIY activity, validate your solution by inputting the correct criteria. Type or paste the full Amazon S3 URL or waves.html and then click validate.
Yeah, this is a walkthrough, exactly what it is.
Yeah, our servers will test your Amazon S3 URL. If validation is successful, you receive a success message signaling that your solution is complete. Let's check your AWS account in the practice session. So we're going back to it.
Yeah,
Oh man, so confused.
going back to it while I was waiting. So it should be ready.
It's dramatic music. Switch to the new console home or maybe later.
Yeah, it doesn't really matter. This is
Okay.
interesting.
Yeah, this is not my console.
Yeah. So you just go to S3.
So it's saying allows pop-up, follow the practice and DIY sections to build your solution. I will return once validation is done. So
Yeah. So now now go back to the game thingy. I think those things work now, but I can tell you what to do. Now those steps should I think those still nothing there. Still looks like it should work.
Yeah.
Review the step. Click start. Please follow the lab instructions. Lab files.
So it says
I don't see
follow the
lab.
practice and DIY. So it's funny because it says to please follow the lab instructions carefully and use the arrows below to navigate steps.
Yeah, so those that arrow should work as far as I'm concerned. Oh, there you go. Now it's doing. Now you can do it. Still no? What the heck? Oh, there you go. Yeah, there you go.
Okay, so the console is open over here, and that's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, click the labs file tab. Oh, this one?
I think it's on the. I don't know.
I probably do you have to start lab? I'm so confused. Click.
No. Click the lab files. It's there, I think.
Okay.
Yeah, and then click that one to download it. The cloud thingy.
Oh, okay.
Download it.
I'm just gonna make a new folder here. Call it AWS Quest. Save. All right.
Yeah. So now the next step, wherever the next step is.
Okay.
Download it. Yeah. Okay, so you did that. And
All
now
the
next
codes
go to
required
the
for
next
this lab
step.
are provided to you. Okay.
Yeah.
So they want me to.
Now you need to. Yeah, you need to
Double-click the
open
zip
that.
folder. Yeah.
And unzip that folder.
Fair enough.
I don't think we need to see this part where you're
Where was the downloads?
changing it. No idea.
I forget where that was.
It's in your. You can go view downloads in your Google usually. Upper right.
What? Oh.
There's a setting for your downloads.
Hang on. Oh, it's in the desktop. Okay. Steps. Steps, I says. So I want to review. So I'll go here, and then I'll go desktop. Then I go AWS Quest. Do I have to unzip that, or is this fine?
I can't see. I can only see the.
Oh, okay. So I just
Google
open it
Chrome.
and I can see the unzipped. I'll just unzip it to this folder, I guess.
Yeah, probably that's going to be the step. Double click. Yeah, double click the zip folder to extract the content, then review the files downloaded. Yeah. And the task is is to rename the index.html to wave HTML and then upload all that stuff. But that's in the steps.
Okay, so you will see the file list, double click to extract the content, then review the files downloaded. Got it. Okay, I did that. You just have to take my word for it. Step 4, go to the console page tab, then in search, click S3 in the search results.
Yeah, let's hang on.
Got S3 here. Yeah, no problem. So I'm looking here. Oh, and there's an access error. So this is probably what we're trying to correct. So we are in S3. Let me go back to the Cloud Quest here. Step 5, click create bucket. All right. So I wasn't supposed to select that. So create bucket. And we probably have to call it a specific name. Click create bucket. If you see a note about temporarily re-enabling the previous Amazon S3 console, click switch to the new console. Oh, well, I did that. Go to the next step. A bucket is a container for objects stored in Amazon S3. Every object is contained in a bucket. You can configure buckets so they are created to a specific AWS region. There we go. Scroll down the page. Boom. Deselected. Click the acknowledgement at the bottom of the page. I acknowledge that the current settings might result in this bucket and the objects within becoming public. Go to the next step. But by default, new buckets, access points, and objects don't allow public access. However, users can modify the bucket to access point policies or object permissions to allow public access. Amazon S3 block public access settings override these policies and permissions so that you can limit public access to these resources. And then scroll down to the default encryption section. Under server-side encryption, choose enable.
Yeah,
Then,
everybody wants everything encrypted these days for some reason.
Security. Except default for type.
I think he accepted default for type, whatever one it picked. Yeah, it's just the one.
It would make sense. It's S3. S3 managed keys in S3. Yeah. So. Yeah. Oh, and it says right there. It just doesn't say the word default beside it. And then click create bucket and then go to the next step. I'm in. Okay, I've clicked create the bucket. And there it is. It says a unique name for your bucket as instructed. Come on now. Oh, it didn't work. Click view details. Files in here.
Yeah, it said have alt and something in the instructions to select them all at the same time.
Hold on. CloudQuest. Index.
What's it say? Press
style
Alt.
target.
Press Alt and Tab to select the open dialog window. Oh, never mind. Choose the files. Choose 4 files listed below.
So it's index, main, style, and target.
Yeah. And Shift or Control will allow you to select multiple files.
Index, main, style, and target. All right, so index, main, style, and target. What? That's funny though, because
that's what you got.
Okay.
And click upload.
And go to the next step. All right. Upload. Upload succeeded. View details below, but let's look what they want the next step to be. That's weird. Yeah, I did that already. Review to verify all the files have been uploaded. I did. Click close.
Yeah. Yeah.
CloudQuest. Go to the next step. Come on now. Step 14. In the object section, choose index.html. Boom. CloudQuest. Click the actions in the drop-down menu option. Review the available options. Okay. You will see different options to manage your objects, such as rename, copy, or download. Go to the next step. Click Properties. Get off my properties. You can host a static website using Amazon S3 by configuring your bucket for static website hosting, setting permissions, and adding an index document. Options like redirects, logging, and error messages are also available.
Was that okay?
Scroll down to static website hosting and click edit, and then go to the next step.
Can you go back 2 steps?
Nope. No way, man. Edit.
Right.
Enable, but I will. I'm still doing this, so I'm just clicking this. Did it say edit? It didn't tell me to do anything on those steps. Yeah, that's 2 steps.
Yeah, never
Okay, so I'm gonna type host a static website, enable.
Yeah.
They want me to type index.html here, which is typical. That's why it's like, this is exactly like the console. I think it is the console, but just
it is the console.
it's giving
It's
me
100. It's 100% the console.
Yeah, so it's real. It's not like a simulation. Trying to keep this simple. This policy is a text. This is a policy.txt file that you downloaded in the previous app. This policy grants access to the S3 get object permission to any public anonymous users. Replace your ARN placeholder with the bucket ARN you copied earlier. Oh, I see. Where's my document? You can't see this, but
I bet you there's a policy in it.
well, there is, but it's just your bucket ARN.
I know. Yeah, and then you gotta put your bucket ARN in there. ARN.
Oh wait, I did something wrong, I think. Here we go. That looks righter. Okay, so, or more correct, I should say.
More gooder.
Yeah. Review to ensure the error ends with /*. So that's what I was missing because I overwrote the /*. I was like, it's not gonna work. Copy all the updated content of the policy. Review to ensure the ARN ends with /*. Scroll to the bottom of the page. So basically, I got to copy all this and go back into here and do this. So you couldn't see it before, but you can see here I changed it to my bucket name that I made up. Okay, so scroll to the bottom of the page and then click next.
Oh, that's your bucket name, not?
Yep. Step 25, review the settings and verify.
What's it say in the...
This is DIY.
What's it say there, though?
Okay.
If the waves test your server, get to you must rename index to rename the wave, then type your bucket name in the actions menu. Rename your index to waves.html, then your bucket name. I don't know, actually, try.
So is the bucket name a unique
Yeah, that's the bucket name.
Name for your bucket?
Yeah.
Woo! 200. Okay. Success. Value
Yeah.
bucket.
So it would work. I think what that means is if you rename it, if you type in it's looking for waves.html, right?
Now, yeah.
And the root, the index.html is just the root for your static thing. But any HTML that you put into a static bucket will resolve with a OK if it's valid HTML and accessible publicly, which is what you just proved out.
Which is going to the endpoint. So that's great. Okay, so it says, that's pretty cool though, because this one section took us on the recording to about 55 minutes. So you did it. Click exit to leave the solution center, then go speak to Mayor Jack again to collect your rewards. So let's see what that's like. Click the icon over Mayor Jack to deliver your assignment. Hey, thanks for providing a quick and simple solution. You are welcome. It looks like the beach crowd is returning. Yes, the beach is back. I am thinking of adding a lighthouse to the pier. Please help me choose a style. What do you think, Scott?
What's that?
This is our reward. This is our dopamine hit for the day.
The first one, yeah. That one.
Yeah, I'm leaning towards that one too. Reminds me of Angus Smiley.
Oh, we got music. Oh, you got 5 stars.
We got 100 gems.
Oh, you got 100 stars.
Yeah, 100 gems. Customization 8 options and reputation points 10 Amazon S3 points. Get certified challenge, complete all 12. So there's 12 cloud question assignments. How would you rate cloud computing essentials? I think it's pretty good. I'm gonna give it a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5 stars out of 5 stars.
A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5.
What do you think about the AWS Quest challenge game, Mr. Mugford?
I give it for a beginner, I'd give it a 5 out of 5 as well.
Yeah,
it's very very thorough.
Yeah, it's good. Like in obviously, if I didn't have all the information, I would have played through all the videos and all that, and I understood what was going on because, like you said, I started on this a year and a half ago or whenever that was, sometime early into the pandemic. But no, it's pretty great. Yeah. So hi again. Would you like to revisit a solution? Click open more to try it. What's the skateboard thing? Okay. Well, obviously, it's lots of more exploring to do, and it looks pretty. I think they did a good job on this. It's not a full video game, but I like it. I like it.
So for me, it's very detailed with that thing, like 27 steps for the S3 bucket.
Yeah,
I would probably do that in like 14 steps or something.
Well, yeah. And the thing is,
that's even though a shortcut.
Even though I like made a remark about the entire step is probably save changes, but there might be a reason why they designed it that way, because maybe people forget that sometimes, right? So
yeah.
You just add its own individual steps and makes your brain think of it the next time.
Yeah.
So that's great.
Every data breach has been from people turning or almost every data breach has been from people doing public S3 buckets. So that's why they drive home don't make your S3 buckets public so hard from the very beginning. Like it's, don't make your public like that.
There's a giraffe walking down the street on the game.
I see that.
Just so you know. So there's a gorilla and a giraffe. So that's something. Okay, so if you want to get your cloud practitioner and you haven't started yet, go do this game because it's awesome. All right, that's all we got for today. So
that's a good learning there.
Yeah, like and subscribe for more quality content like this. We probably won't do this one again, but I wanted to do a quick video on this, and because I think it's worth it. And I wanted to see what it looked like. It's awesome. All right, peace out. We'll talk to you later. Watch more of the Cloud Brothers exclusively on the YouTube.